Good morning. I am in the Pacific Northwest. Take a look behind me. I am at the Columbia River Gorge. I'm staying in Stevenson, Washington. It's my first trip here. I highly recommend this place. I feel like the Pacific Northwest is very, I don't know, Americana? What's the word? But anyways, it's a perfect backdrop, perfect setting for me to be debuting this not yet released bag from Duvall Leatherworks. You may recall that I have reviewed two other bags beforehand. That insanely gorgeous small tote. I think I did it in the red leather if I'm not mistaken. Super thick, has a zipper, pockets are insane, really smart design, very comfortable handles. And then I reviewed the flop over in brown, which I think I carried for like an insane amount of days in a row because I was so obsessed with it. Let's look at the packaging. You know I'm always crazy about the packaging. So, as you might have guessed from this kind of cute petite little box, it's not a big bag, but I think it's a necessary bag, and I was so excited that they wanted me to share it with you, and you're going to recognize it because it's the, oh my god, it's so cute. Look. Whoop. Let's do this. Make good use of the citronella candle. It is the junior version of the crossbody flop over. Oh my god, it's so adorable. So I think it's perfect for me because I am obviously on vacation, and so I wanted something a little smaller, and I did not bring something small with me. So this fits the bill, and I think it's really cute. There's a couple design changes, right? So my other one has like two big circle rings that kind of open and you can take them off. So this one is more like permanently affixed, and it's actually affixed really clever through this. I haven't seen it before, I had no idea. It's not even on their website yet, so that's the first thing I noticed. Oh, and I like this a lot. So this was not on their other one. I think their other one's an endless loop, but this is very cute and very functional for style points. They have a lot of size adjustments. I have a feeling I'm going to be rocking this the whole rest of my vacation. My husband's giving me a look, and the look is, can you please hurry up? It's raining out here. That poor guy. Anyways, cute little zipper pocket back here, and I know they changed this too. I don't remember this being that way. Like the gold, or it's almost like a copper foil of their name, which I actually really love. The leather is, I really like the leather. Anyways, it's really sort of soft and velvety, and I like that it's tonal, or I don't know how you say it, but it's not just like a flat brown. It's got like this character in it. It's got some like dark-ish spots and light-ish spots. Let's get into it. YKK zipper. Line, a different lining than my old one, which was kind of like brown with gold, sort of like zigzag pattern. This one is like white with stripes on it. No pockets on the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and say the perfect little crossbody for vacation. So cute. Look. Phone, keys, wallet, cash, charger. You're ready to roll. Anyways, I'm gonna use this out and about. I'm actually heading to the coast right now. I'm going to Pacific City for a few more days, and then I'll use it and I'll tell you what I think of it. Thank you so much for watching Duvall Leatherworks, the mini flop over crossbody. So cute. Thanks for watching.